All right, everybody, it's Dave with Columbus Turnkey, and today we're making a video. We have one of our very first clients, one of the very first people that acquired turnkey properties from us, and I'm here with Sitaram. So to bring everyone up to speed, when Sitaram first located us or first found us, he found us online, and RJ and I were really just kind of getting started, and we had the same office, but nobody worked here. It was just me and RJ. And Sitaram came and checked us out. He was a little bit nervous and skeptical. We were a little bit nervous and skeptical. We didn't have a lot of clients then. We were still kind of earning our stripes, but we wanted to do our very best. And we knew we were creating something special from the very beginning. So like you and everyone that we've always worked with, we've taken that relationship seriously, and we provided some turnkey properties for you. You've owned them for several years now.
Yeah.
And how have those properties worked out for you, the homes that you bought several years ago?
Yeah, I mean, I have two properties that I bought from Columbus Turnkey, and man, they have been doing awesome. Okay. One of the properties, my cash flow is close to $6 grand a year.
Okay.
And that's for now 3.5 years,
Mm-hmm.
right? It's 5,800 to be exact. And the other property is around 3,500.
And your wife's a CPA, so your numbers are accurate, right? So let me ask you a question, because I know you're an investor, you're a smart guy, and you understand your numbers, you understand your cash flow. When you're looking at your cash-on-cash return, because you use leverage, you use loans for these properties.
I did.
So give us an idea of what your cash-on-cash return is for your properties.
Yeah, so cash on when in 2017, when we filed our taxes, my wife told me that on Balmoral the return was 53% before depreciation.
53%
Yeah.
before depreciation.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So on average, that I have made average 40% on both the properties.
You average 40%
Yeah.
return.
So when I put my properties, I mean, we just talked about putting up for sale because I want to 1031 buy multifamily.
Correct.
I'm really thinking very hard. Should I do this?
Yeah.
I mean, the cash cow. It's making cash every day, right?
Absolutely. And you have a good loan in place too.
Yeah, and the cheapest money on the market,
That's
right?
right.
So why should I do it? But then I convinced myself I'm planning to buy multifamily, reducing my risk and spreading my risk over and I'm into multifamily now. But I wouldn't take a bad deal. I'll keep those two properties forever, man.
So what would you say to somebody who is maybe on the fence or skeptical about working with us?
Yeah, so there are a couple of things. One is, now the thing is, I will tell people from out of state, the properties that I already own and the properties I look to own, both. Because the other property that we did not buy, it was near Black Lake. That was a very nice area actually. Very nice property. There was a middle school near that property. So one is the properties that I bought and I planned to buy, which did not run through, they were in nice neighborhoods. So, I mean, real estate is all about locality.
That's right.
Number one. Number two is documentation is very clear.
Absolutely.
Okay. Number three is when you guys have come up and you always have shown me different third parties. See, that's actually a very, very, very positive thing, that you're not working with the same inspector
Correct.
every time.
We give people options for
Right, so what happens is the same
Yes.
inspector, man, you know what?
lenders and inspectors.
Yes,
and
exactly.
Yes. we want what's best for the client, not for some side deals that we have going on. We're
Yeah.
not a middleman.
Yeah, exactly.
We are the direct source, and we want a long-term relationship with everyone we work with.
Yeah.
Just like we have with you.
So the inspector that I'm still working is the inspector that you referred.
There you go.
Okay. So those are third, and fourth thing, like I said, man, if even till the last minute, if the deal doesn't work, it's all happy family. You can walk off the deal anytime, no problem there.
Yeah.
That really put me a lot of ease. Okay, man, no problem.
Yeah.
Because I'm not big, right? I mean, I'm early investor.
Right.
So I want to be comfortable with whomever I'm working, right?
Correct. It's a long-term thing. This isn't some hard sell that we try to close you. We wouldn't be able to close you anyway.
Lock
No. There's no games. Everything's very transparent, and we want long-term success because this is why even several years after you bought Turnkey Properties, here we are today, and we're talking about doing other deals and doing other things. So if you're watching this video, we're not going anywhere. We will be here today, tomorrow, next week, next year, and we want long-term relationships with everyone we work with, just like we have long-term relationships with Sitaram. So we appreciate you as a client. We appreciate all the kind words, and thanks for coming by the office today. And any final words or final thoughts that you would say to other investors or other customers of Columbus Turnkey?
No, I would say, man, there is no better time than investing now. And every investment opportunity that you look at, I mean, if you go to stocks and all these things, if you go and look at their portfolio, more than 60% of everyone's investment is in real estate.
That's right.
Okay. And what better than finding houses like Columbus Turnkey houses where you want to start small?
Yep.
You don't have to really invest big. Right? Start with like 60K, 70K, and then go from there.
Absolutely. And we do big deals as well, if you're watching this video. In fact, you and I today are sitting here talking about multifamily. We are going to be looking at a 40-unit building as soon as we finish the video. So deals that are big, deals that are small. If you're interested in investing in cash flow properties, like Sitaram said, there is no better time than right now. And you can find us online, columbusturnkey.com. I'm Dave Perchin, here with Sitaram, and we'll see you on the next video.
Yep, thank you.
Great job, man.
Yeah, thank you.